Hi students, I am Padmini and this is Learn Well SST. The main aim of the channel is to make SST more interesting. Arnav is a 6th standard student, sat learning history and is confused with the title of the first chapter, that is what, where, how and when. Come on, let's help him. What can we know about the past? What did the people eat? What clothes did they wear? What types of houses did they live in? What games did the children play? What songs did they sing? What stories did they hear? And few other things. Where did the people live? People have lived along the banks of river Narmada for hundreds and thousands of years. Why they could have preferred river bank? Because they were food gatherers, hunters, or they practiced animal rearing. How do we relate these activities with riverbank settlements? They could find forests nearby river, hence they could gather edible roots, fruits. They could hunt animals, fishing they could do, and their water related needs were also fulfilled. Why did people travel? It was very difficult and dangerous to travel in olden days, but wasn't impossible as well. People traveled in the past in search of livelihood, as we have seen that initially they were food gatherers. So, once the food at one place was over, they used to move to other place to conquer others' lands. Merchants traveled for trading. Some might have traveled for adventure or to discover new places. This traveling caused a migration sometimes which further resulted in enrichment of cultural heritage. Names of the land. Our motherland is known by many names. India comes from the name of river Indus, which is called as Sindhu in Sanskrit. Iranians and Greeks called it Hindos or Indos. Bharata was the name used by the people living in northwestern region and are mentioned in Rigveda. How to find the past? Past can be found studying manuscripts. Manu is a Latin word means hand. So thus manuscripts means handwritten. Were written in Sanskrit or Prakrit mainly. Palm leaves or birch bark was used to write on. Inscriptions written on comparatively harder surface like stone, metal, baked clay or unbaked bricks. Apart from this, past can be found by archaeologists by studying pots, bones of animals, food grains found during excavations. Next, history is learnt geographically. To understand the meaning of this sentence, let us first understand what is history. The easiest definition of history is his story. How come? Because we learn what, when, where, how with reference to human beings. And when we learn about food, clothing, houses, we have to take geographical conditions into consideration. Thus, we can say that history is learnt geographically. When? What do dates mean? If Arnav's year of birth is 2010, that means he was born after 2010 years of the birth of Jesus Christ. Observe the timeline. You will find that it is divided into two parts. Left part counts backward before the birth of Jesus Christ, which is called as BC, stands for before Christ, or BCE, that is before common era. Right side begins count from the birth of the Jesus Christ, known as Anno Domini, means in the year of the Lord, or CE stands for common era. So, what did we learn so far? We have learnt history. In history, we have learnt where did we learn at Learnwell SST? Well, how was your experience? Let me know. Goodbye.